They're so good and my bangs is waving. The sun is shining, but the wind is blowing so cold. Oh, it's cold breeze. And it's so nice and it's so relaxing. So I'm just going to walk. Yeah, I'm walking now, going to the hospital to have my test. So since this hospital is just nearby from my room, so I used to walk. So this is my route. Same, that hospital is just in the same area of my walking route. So now I'm walking, heading to that hospital. So I'm just going to pay. You know, here, as long as you have this insurance, because in the Philippines it's very difficult to acquire insurance, health insurance, since it's expensive. Not just a bit expensive, but it is expensive. And also, what's on here? Ah, not a fun run. Is this a fun run? Why? I'm not informed and I wanted to join. Why did not inform me? Ah, charot. Ito na ay fun run rin. Amo siguro gi-close ang dalan. It's because of the fun run. See? See? It was close. And they're having this fun run. Oh, oh, I really wanted to join this fun run. Oh, it's really fun to run. Oh, at least I witnessed. And also I have my schedule now. You know, this schedule of my test is so sudden. I never expected this. I never planned this, but since when I saw that my insurance is going to be expired today, so I grabbed the opportunity to have a test before it expired. So now I'm having it.